My name is Mike McGregor. I'm a physician assistant in orthopedic surgery and sports medicine. I work in Fargo, Essentia on 32nd Avenue South. I had a good friend that died in the first grade from leukemia, so I went and researched what leukemia was, and I did that with many diseases. So throughout, grade school and high school, I've always done that sort of thing, just to keep up with, what is happening with the human body. So I've always been fascinated that way. And then surgically, when lacerations or something crazy happened to one of my friends, I was always interested, like, hey, what happened, and kind of to dig into, the nitty-gritty. I've always thought the human body is kind of a work of art, and it's interesting to see how people maintain their bodies. As you age, people that are involved with exercise programs and eating healthy, age more gracefully than some people just age, they don't age as gracefully. And I always thought that, taking care of people's musculoskeletal systems enables them to have the, best work of art that they can have for the longest duration. They can have such bad things going wrong with them, and yet so many of them have a bright affect and a great disposition, and they welcome a sense of humor. So when I see that in a patient, I always try to humor them as much as I can, because I think that's part of the health process. And you'll see people that deal with things from a standpoint of good humor, they tend to do better. The number one question that they often have is, what can I do? So we're always encouraging people at whatever level that their injury is, or whether it's arthritis or a sprain, what they can do. So I always encourage patients to be as active as they possibly can, with the limitations that the injury or disease may impose on them temporarily. I still stay active in playing tennis, and I like to cycle, like to walk, nature, hike, that type of thing has always been interesting to me. On a more sedentary standpoint, I do like to read and get involved with church-related activities where I attend, and primarily consume most of my time with family and friends.